So even though this repository is public, no one but me can push or write to it. Other people can see my code and commit history, but they cannot push new commits. So if you work in a team, you should add your team members here and give them push access. Let me show you how to do this. So over here, we have a tab on the right side called Settings. Here we go to Manage Access. Now look, currently we don't have any collaborators. We can invite our team members by their GitHub username, full name, or email. So I'm going to look myself up. Here's my other GitHub account, but please, please, please don't invite me. I don't want to get 1,000 notifications every time someone watches this course and is following along. So I'm going to add myself. Now I have an invitation that is pending. So I'm going to get an email. In that email, there is a link for me to accept or decline the invitation. Once I accept the invitation, then I will have push access to this repository.